Let us apply all this in the hands-on. So now I'll be first selecting a new table. So let me take select star from the orders table. Let us check what is there inside this order table and execute this. Let me put a colon here. Yeah. So I can see all the records here. You have an order number, you have order date, required date, ship date, and the status is also showing, and you have a customer number. Suppose if you want to see a specific records for the customer number which is 1 to 1. So I want to see all the records for the customer number 1 to 1. So for that, let me use select star from orders table using a where clause where your customers, okay, this is orders. Let me zoom this again a little bit. Yeah, so your column name is customer number, which is equal to 121. So as 121 is a integer, so no need to put that in a single quotes there. So let me execute. Now you can see all the details about the customer number 121. So this is about the equal to operator. So let me show you how you can use a greater than operator or greater than equal to operator. So let me copy this, paste it here. Instead of 121, if I want to check all the customer records or customer numbers where the customer number is greater than 121, and let me execute this. Now you can see you got all the customer number which is greater than 121, but you cannot see any record which is 121 or less than 121. So if you want to include 121 also, so you can copy this, and instead of greater than you can put greater than equal to, and you can run this. You can run this. Now you might see the results of 121 number and greater than that. Okay, if you want to see whether there are some records which is less than 121, or if you want to find out all the records which is having less than 121, so let me copy this to save some time, and instead of greater than, let me put less than symbol and run this. Let me run this. Here you can see there are so many values which are less than 121. Similarly, you can put less than or equal to and check all the records which are 121 and less than 121. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and keep learning.